I'm Michael Porter with John Deere, the go-to-market manager for large tractors and tillage. And behind me, we have our new CC series Coulter chisel, newly designed for John Deere to kind of round out our tillage portfolio with a highly productive primary tillage tool. So what is a Coulter chisel? Coulter chisel has coulters up front, followed by chisel points, and then a finishing system on the back of the machine. The coulters are really going to help size up that residue, corn stalks, whatever it may be, debris. And then the chisel points are going to then pin and bury that debris under the ground, that residue, to help it break down over the wintertime, as well as break up compaction with these chisel points. This tool is designed to be a highly productive tool in that 6 to 10 inch tillage range, with an ideally at 7 miles an hour at 7 inches deep. With the new tool, we're introducing a few different models. Behind me here, we have our CC13. We do have one smaller model, the CC11. When I talk about 11 and 13, talking about the number of chisel points spread 15 inches across the width of the tool. So above the CC13, we have a CC19, a CC21, and a CC25. So whether you have a row crop tractor with a CC11 or all the way up to our largest four-wheel drives with a CC25, we have a tool designed for whatever tractor you have on your farm, new or old. Now, this tool is packed with a lot of technology. First being TrueSet Active. TrueSet Active is our TrueSet technology where you set a depth of tillage you're targeting, maybe in this case 7 inches, and the tool and the technology is going to manage and keep it at that 7 inches of depth. It has an eye sensor in the front that's constantly measuring the distance between the bar and the ground, so it always knows how deep this tillage tool is. So if you get into a soft spot and the tool starts to sink down deeper, it'll bring that tool up. And if you get into heavy muddy conditions and mud's building up on these tires, it'll lower the tool to compensate for that increase in diameter. One of the last things I want to talk about on this tool that we're really proud of is autonomy ready from the factory. This is our second tool in the lineup from John Deere that's going to be autonomy ready, available to order from the factory. That means it's going to come with all the necessary hardware, software, harnesses, lighting, and in this case, an implement receiver mast. To do full autonomy, just need to add a Starfire receiver. So with this tool right from the factory, hook it to our autonomous tractor offering, and you're able to do an autonomous tillage with no additional hardware required.
Hi there, my name is Eric Halfman. I'm with John Deere and I'm the go-to-market manager for Gator utility vehicles. We've just launched the XUV 845 and 875 Gator utility vehicles. These are our full-size crossover vehicles that are great solutions for our farmers. A couple things about these machines. We have a Green Star Ready option that allows you to do boundary mapping to unlock value in our production and precision agriculture equipment. Helps farmers auto track as well with an auto track option if you're interested in spraying. Another great enhancement to these utility vehicles is a new cargo box, allowing you to customize for the jobs that you do out on your farms. Another enhancement is our new exhaust system that's 31% quieter than our previous full-size crossover Gators, and also our air intakes for both the engine and also our clutch. These machines come standard with a 12-volt outlet in the back to hook your sprayers up in the cargo box, which is great, and also have new interior leather and marine-grade vinyl options. Please visit your John Deere dealers in your local areas to check out these new Gator utility vehicles, or visit Deere.com, Deere.Canada for more information.
So behind me we have our new MT series from John Deere. So this machine is replacing our 2100 inline ripper. The MT series stands for minimum till. So really going as deep as possible to break up the compaction layer and the hard pan without disturbing the soil. So as you see here, what I'm standing in front of is our new MT11. So the MT obviously stands for minimum till. 11 stands for 11 standard points spread 30 inches apart. We also are introducing an MT5, an MT7, and an MT9 model as well. Some of those will be integral, while like this one here will be a drawn unit. So what we're really excited about with this machine is the extended wear life components that we're bringing to the market over its predecessor. So behind me here, we have our new wear shins, which will have twice the life of the previous 2100. So what that means is for customers who are maybe getting 1, 2, or 3 seasons out of use, now they're going to be able to go 2, 4, 6 seasons and not have to worry about replacing these maybe in the middle of the season, causing downtime or lack of productivity. So excited about our new wear components. This machine's also bringing new technology to our inline rippers with TrueSet Active. TrueSet Active is the ability to set in the display a target depth. So with a machine like this, maybe 14 inches, and the machine will manage that depth constantly. So we have a sensor that's going to be measuring the distance between the bar and the ground to always maintain that target depth. So maybe the soil gets a little softer, the machine wants to go lower into the ground, it'll start to pick up that tool to maintain our target depth. So with this machine going to an 11 standard, with our predecessor we only had 9 standard model, we're able to pick up an additional 50 acres per day with this unit versus our 2100. So really excited about the technology and the productivity this machine brings, along with the extended wear components.